The wake-up call. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You check your phone, and instead of the usual stress-inducing notifications, you see this: $500 deposited overnight. Another $1,200 from last week's effort. $5,000 rolling in without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, here's the harsh truth. Most people work their entire lives, trading time for money, only to retire broke. That's because they never learn how to make money while they sleep. But today, that changes. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful passive income streams that will help you escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, take control of your financial future, and start living life on your terms. And make sure you stick around until the end, because Idea 7 is a game changer that could set you up for financial freedom without a huge upfront investment. Let's get started. The problem. Why passive income is no longer optional. Here's the thing: relying on one source of income is dangerous. Think about it. What happens if you lose your job tomorrow? Fear kicks in. Bills don't stop. Debt keeps growing. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. And today, you're going to learn how to do the same. Let's dive into the first passive income stream, one that's turning ordinary people into millionaires every single day. The solution: 7 passive income streams that work. Number 1. Print on demand, selling designs. Without inventory. What if I told you that you could get paid for your creativity, even if you can't draw a stick figure? With print on demand, you upload a design to sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify, and whenever someone buys it, they print and ship it for you. You just collect the profit. And here's the crazy part. People are making $5,000 to $20,000 per month selling simple designs like funny coffee mug quotes, dog lover t-shirts, gaming-related hoodies. So yeah, that world's best cat dad mug your friend has? Someone's making passive income off that. Now, let's move to something even bigger and more scalable. Number 2, YouTube automation. Earning without showing your face. What if I told you that you could run a profitable YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera? This is called YouTube automation. You outsource video scripts, voiceovers, and editing. Your videos rack up views. You get paid from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. People are making $10,000 plus per month running faceless channels in finance, tech, and self-improvement. And the best part? One viral video could make you money for years. But what if you don't want to deal with YouTube? Well, our next passive income idea lets you build wealth while doing almost nothing. Number 3, dividend stocks. Getting paid for holding shares. Imagine getting paid just for owning shares of a company. That's exactly how dividend stocks work. You buy shares of companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, or Johnson & Johnson. Every few months, they pay you cash just for holding the stock. Over time, these payments grow. Warren Buffett makes over $4 million per day from dividends. Meanwhile, most people just make $4 from their savings account all year. Now, if you're thinking, but I don't have money to invest, don't worry. The next method lets you start with as little as $10. Number 4, high-yield savings and staking. Crypto traditional banks give you pathetic interest. Meanwhile, crypto platforms like BlockFi, Nexo, and Binance let you stake your crypto earning 5% to 20% annually. Example: if you stake $10,000 in USDC, a stablecoin, you could earn $1,000 plus per year without price volatility. But what if I told you there's a way to get paid by simply sharing your knowledge online? Let's move on to the next strategy. Number 5, selling digital products courses, ebooks, templates. If you've ever paid for an online course, congratulations, you just made someone passive income. The best part? You can do the same. Write a simple ebook, create a Notion or Excel template, sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, or Udemy. If you've ever Googled how to make money online, someone's selling you a course on it. Might as well be you, right? Number 6, rental income owning versus Airbnb arbitrage. Own a house? Rent it out. No house? Use Airbnb arbitrage. Rent a property and sublet it on Airbnb. People are making 6 figures doing this. But what if you don't want to deal with tenants? Don't worry, the next method is completely hands-off. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Getting paid for referring products. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. You share a product link. Someone clicks and buys. You earn a commission without handling inventory. Top YouTubers and bloggers make millions from affiliate marketing. Ever clicked on an Amazon link? Yep, someone got paid for that.